Welcome back to Career Q, where we guide you to your dream career. Today, we're focusing on some awesome sites that can help you learn coding and tech skills for free. The top 5 free websites to learn coding and build projects are: first up, we've got projectlearny.io. This platform takes a hands-on approach to learning. You'll work on real coding projects that will boost your skills and build your portfolio. It's perfect for anyone who wants to learn by doing. Next, there's Kaggle, the ultimate playground for aspiring data scientists and AI enthusiasts. Kaggle offers free access to real-world datasets and challenges, so you can practice machine learning, data analysis, and coding with professionals from around the world. Then, there's edX. This platform offers free courses from top universities like MIT and Harvard. You'll find everything from coding basics to advanced programming techniques. If you're aiming for a tech career, this is the place to start. Want to learn coding for free? Check out FreeCodeCamp. It's the OG of free coding courses and offers a comprehensive curriculum that covers everything from web development to algorithms. You'll get hands-on experience with real coding projects that can help you land that first job. Looking for something challenging? CS50, Harvard's legendary computer science course, is available for free on edX. It's one of the best-known courses in the world for learning computer science, and it's a fantastic way to kickstart your coding journey. So whether you're a beginner or an aspiring data scientist, these sites will give you the tools you need to master coding and tech skills for free. Start today and take the first step toward your dream career in tech. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more career tips, study resources, and personal development. Keep coding, keep learning, and keep pushing toward your dreams.